Welcome to Internet Slang Essentials. In this lesson, we'll learn common abbreviations and shorthand used in online communication. These phrases help us communicate quickly and efficiently on the Internet. Let's explore the most popular Internet slang terms together. Let's start with LOL, which stands for laugh out loud. Use LOL when something is funny and makes you laugh. For example, if your friend tells a joke online, you can reply with LOL to show you found it amusing. Next is OMG, which stands for oh my god. Use OMG to express surprise or shock. For instance, if you hear shocking news, you might respond with OMG to show your reaction. BTW stands for by the way. Use BTW when you want to add extra information to your message. For example, you might say, I'll see you tomorrow, BTW I'm bringing pizza. Next is ASAP, which stands for as soon as possible. Use ASAP when something is urgent and needs immediate attention. For example, a boss might say, please complete this report ASAP, meaning it's very important and needed quickly. FYI stands for your information. Use FYI when you want to share useful information with someone. For example, FYI, the store closes at 9 p.m. tonight. This helps others know something important. Next is BRB, which stands for be right back. Use BRB when you need to leave a conversation temporarily but plan to return soon. For example, you might message, I'm going to eat lunch, BRB in 30 minutes. TTYL stands for talk to you later. Use TTYL as a casual goodbye when ending a conversation online. For example, when you finish chatting with a friend, you can say TTYL and you'll continue your conversation another time. Next is IDK, which stands for I don't know. Use IDK when you're unsure about something. For example, if someone asks where your friend is, you might reply IDK because you don't have that information. TBH stands for to be honest. Use TBH when you want to give an honest opinion about something. For example, to be honest, I didn't like that movie very much. This shows you're being truthful. Next is IMHO, which stands for in my humble opinion. Use IMHO to share your personal viewpoint while being respectful. For example, in my humble opinion, chocolate tastes better than vanilla. ROFL stands for rolling on floor laughing. Use ROFL when something is extremely funny and makes you laugh uncontrollably. It's even stronger than LOL. For example, if a video is hilarious, you might respond with ROFL. Next is SMH, which stands for shaking my head. Use SMH to express disapproval, disbelief, or disappointment. For example, if someone says something silly, you might respond with SMH to show you disagree. Now that you've learned these common internet slang terms, remember that context matters. Use slang appropriately depending on who you're talking to and where you're communicating. In formal settings like school or work emails, use complete words. In casual chats with friends, slang is perfect. Practice daily by reading online conversations and social media to see how native speakers use these phrases. Start using these abbreviations in your casual conversations today, and you'll become more comfortable with internet communication.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.